It's an extremely busy show. When I say it's busy, it's just people from wall to wall. And as expected to be, this is a great turnout. Initially, like I said in the other video, I took a year off from actually going to the shows and then decided we need to get back out here. We're looking for another machine, so this would be a great one to start with. Well, actually one of the final shows for this year. I think they might have 2 or 3 more. But the major one that we're looking for is the one in Long Beach. Well, I'll see you there. If this is your first time here, please like, comment, and subscribe. I make content like this all the time. Not just printing, but my overall lifestyle. Change to the Mike T's Network. And for all my new subscribers, I greatly appreciate you guys. Let's get back to the show. This is a complete walkthrough of the PRINTZ United Expo 2025 in Orlando, Florida. I'm walking through, seeing as many new things that I can see, experiencing all the new machines that are getting ready to drop in the year 2026. From UV flatbeds to DTF printing, UV printing, stickers and the like, billboards, and all types of things that are used in the printing industry. Please enjoy this second day walkthrough of the extended version. And if this is your first time here, please like, comment, and subscribe. So this looks to be the whole informational side. Not a lot of the machines actually going at this moment. The time is currently 12, so it's lunchtime. I'm assuming a lot of people cleared out to go get something to eat. It's hard not to trip in this place. I done tripped about 5 times because they have like these riser carpets. The carpets just sits up a little bit. I'm thinking it's at the same level and it's not. I done tripped in here. Try to wholeheartedly keep your balance. Got Sharp over there as well. Building manufacturing partnerships, inkjet. Now I'm starting to hear some racket. There definitely has to be something going on over here. You know what? I always see Oddly everywhere, but this is my first time actually seeing them. So we're gonna come over here and check them out. We'll talk to Flexi. Flexi is our DTF rip software. So to actually be able to talk with the people and see what type of things that they're doing. But I hear a lot about these guys right here. So this UV printing machine had like some raised resin on it, and it was super cool. I'll freeze frame it so you guys can see what I'm actually talking about. You guys seeing this? Graphics is actually wet looking as well. Alright, so let me fix my camera angle. I'm not too sure exactly what's going on with it. It's not actually aiming at the thing that I wanted to aim at too. DTF one side, oddly. These machines are well sought after in DTF market. One, because of the affordability. 2, it costs a fraction of the price to just get it shipped. to you from overseas instead of buying over here in the US. So, yeah. Double loader. This looks to be like a double loader DTF or DTG machine, direct to garment.
About 40 people out of
It's absolutely packed in here and I can't get to it. Right here is Flexi. Flexi turns any space. Oh, right here. Any of you direct-to-film printers or UV printers, everybody uses this software and switches. Getting around, folks, is another thing. It's a whole obstacle. Pardon me.
It literally opens up.
Slick.
The coolest thing I like is good
Automatic collecting table. So there's another printer that's doing something like that. So this whole section over here is Hewlett Packard. And they're actually doing, as you guys can see, hopefully you can see, hopefully my camera is camera like it needs to be. Maybe I'll pull out my phone so I can see it on both. Been standing here because I'm trying to get myself started on here. Now, cool. Definitely can see it's a lot going on here, for sure. Some of the displays that these guys have put up to are huge. You know, they put a lot of money into this. Honestly, yesterday I kept calling it the Graphics Pro. It's not the Graphics Pro, this is Printed United. I get a lot of them confused because I only went to a handful of shows in the prior years, mainly the Impressions Expo.
but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss.
So you guys can kind of get a feel for the show. That's what I'm doing, is I'm walking around from aisle to aisle to give you that experience. People running into you, walking and trying to check out displays, people walking in front of displays. Full-blown scene with a camera in hand, but they don't care.
Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow, I think I'll chew it.
Got a lot going on right here. That machine right there is the Antero Digital soft cover system right here. Performance 2000, setup wizard 1 minute, production range, flexible modular, claim and management 100%, remote services, top quality high-end barcode. So we'll take a look at this real quick just so you guys can get the gist. And that's what we were just looking at. The Antero Digital soft cover system. This almost gives you the feel of an Impressions Expo, honestly. Look at it. Just a sea of people everywhere, literally. So if you're just now joining in or you're just now watching, please like, comment, and subscribe. I make content like this all the time. I see some type of 3D representation. Let's go over here and look at this real quick. Looks amazing. It's like a holographic on the screen. Colorado XL series. Durst. All I see is DTF dust. Can y'all see that up in the air? I like DTF. Look like glycol all in the air. Which is another thing that amazes me coming to these big shows like this. Is almost how do they get control of the glycol? Because you don't smell it in here. LexJet is off the hook over here. So we're definitely seeing them. And it wraps all the way around. Look at these. Wolverine, Storm, all the X-Men. And this is because of Greg Horn right here. Stop by booth to win one of these autographed posters that you guys see up here. Pretty slick. Let's get close, really, really close. Look at that. See the detail? Colors popping. I'm trying to let the light hit it a couple different ways so you guys can see that it's not just a flat print. Actually somewhat raised. We got Tim Burton, Iron Man, rendition of Spider-Man, Nicolas Cage. I can't remember the actual name of that movie. Ghost Rider, I think. Pretty interesting. This is great art. Great, great, great art. So this is the inventor right here. So I guess you can sit and take a picture with him. Talk to good old Ben. Strike a pose with the father of printing. Alright. If I can get somebody to take a picture, I might stop by later and actually get that picture. So we got us a live podcast right now. Going this behind the scenes. I'm pretty sure they don't. They know we're doing camera and some filming. So who is this? Oh, apparel decorator. It's a good chick. And this is our itinerary today. If you came this morning, you probably did a host of these things. I'm more here towards the afternoon. You can see a full rundown even into tomorrow's festivities. So, yeah. Apparel decorating list. Consulting over here. All right, so let's see, I'm looking down at my actual camera phone instead of the daggone gimbal. I'm getting ready to switch it up, probably do some interviews, walk around a little bit more, and get a charge. It's definitely necessary. We'll be back with you guys here shortly. Like, comment, and subscribe.